Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my review of Swiss Airlines First Class. I'm in the Zurich First Class Terminal E in my private day room in the lounge. It's just 5 o'clock now, and to get here I've been on the road since 7 this morning. So first stop was Kyiv, directly from Zurich. I flew to Kyiv to position myself for my Swiss Airlines business class flight back to Zurich, to position myself again for the Zurich to Singapore first class flight on the 777-300. Now, it's been 5 hours of flying and finally arrived at the first class lounge. The other one at Terminal A is also very nice, and I've been there this morning, had some breakfast there, checked it out. So this is what it looks like. Now you've seen that, let's check out the Swiss Airlines First Class Lounge here at the E gates, which is the flagship lounge, and it should be pretty nice. Let's go. Alright, we are in the Swiss Airlines First Class day rooms. It's basically a hotel room. They call it a day room. You can chill here for as long as you want when you're flying Swiss first class and you're departing on an international flight. These are the this is the E gates lounge. So let's check out the room and I'll give you a quick tour. So these hotel rooms, you can reserve them when you arrive at the lounge. Very nice, typical Swiss design. Very clean. Got a little bench here for your luggage. TV, of course, why not? Not that you need it around here because the views are insane. Let's check it out later. And we got a bathroom, everything you might need. We got toothbrushes there, and then we got a little amenity kit. Inside we got body lotion, some shampoo, hair conditioner, whatever, towels. And then we got the shower here in the day room, toilet of course, and then a bed which looks pretty comfortable. I might have a quick nap later since I've been on the road from 7 o'clock this morning, just flying around. Some might think that's crazy, others might enjoy it. Now check out these views here. Oh, let me adjust my lens so you can see that better. Nice. That's what it's all about. So later on I'm gonna have a glass of champagne on my balcony here. At this stage there's no one else in the lounge, so I've got this whole thing to myself, and it's the Swiss flagship lounge, so I'm gonna have a great time here. I've got about 6 hours or so. They have an a la carte restaurant where you can dine and drink on demand, and yeah, I'll take you along the ride. And then tonight we're flying Swiss Airlines First Class from Zurich to Singapore on the 777-300. That should be pretty fun. I've never done it before. I'm very excited about it. So enjoy. The Swiss Airlines First Class Lounge is probably one of the best I've ever visited. It's located in the E gate, which is on the international side of Zurich Airport. It takes up a big section on the end of the terminal with a huge wraparound balcony from where you can enjoy the planes taking off. There's also a restaurant with table service, a la carte dining, and some excellent beverages at the bar. The outdoor first class terrace is truly unique. It's a great spot to relax with a glass of wine and watch the planes land. Like in the restaurant, there's an extensive menu from which you can order. The food on offer is on par with some of the best restaurants in Zurich. Very excited for this flight, so I hope you guys are too. Check it out. Thank you.
Good evening.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good evening, hello.
Hello, how are you? Thank you. I think this...
Mr. There.
Yes.
Your seat will
Oh, on the other
back.
side, alright. I better go around. The Swiss Airlines First Class cabin is situated in the front of the plane and has 8 seats configured in a 1-to-1 configuration. Seats are very spacious, very nicely designed, and have sliding doors for extra privacy. So right here we have a coat hanger, slides in to the door like that. Very convenient, you put your jacket in there, super easy. Let's have a look, what else is there? We've got Swiss First Class, I believe this is a amenity kit of some sort. And then we got all the controls here. Bottle of water and a light adjustable. Very spacious seat, see lots of leg room, another ottoman there, so you can easily have dinner for 2 in this Swiss First Class seat. Huge TV screens. And then this is, I believe, the door that closes. It's supposed to be stowed for taxi and takeoff, but we will try that anyway. And only goes closed partially, so. Let's close it back up. So back on this seat, you can see there's another seat belt here, so if you want to have a guest join you for dinner, it's very possible. What else we got here? Let's see if this opens up. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's the controls, full seat controls, with a lot of options here. And a remote control. Some headphones, I did manage to charge my own in the lounge, so hopefully we can use those instead. Big seat, 1, 2, 3 windows. We've got this screen here that closes, very nice. It's like a train carriage kind of, a bit like I think a bit like British Airways First Class, to be honest. So yeah, let's see what the service is like, see what the food is like, and let's get some champagne, I say. So I have just received my pajamas. So check it out. So here we have the amenity kit by Bali, Swiss brand, very nice. They have some Bali shoes actually. Let's see what's inside. So inside the amenity kit we got a comb, some lollies, toothpaste, toothbrush, eye mask, socks, tissues, shoe, whatever you call it, and some earbuds, very handy. We've also got, I'm not sure what this is. No idea. I think it's some sort of towel or something. Find out later. Just been served a little amuse-bouche of dried tomato, chili and pesto. Very nice. Together with my grand ciel, however you say it. If you're French, please correct me. Alright, I've just got changed into my pajamas. Very Swiss, look at the detail. Pro tip, always bring your own shorts. Swiss airline flights are notoriously hot. It's already boiling in here, so I expect this is gonna be a very warm flight. On a separate note, I'm very impressed with the bathroom amenities. They've got La Prairie in here. Those little bottles with facial moisturizer cost probably around $500, so make use of those. Here we have the beverage menu. Let's take a quick look at it. Champagne, Laurent Perrier, Grand Ciel. Same as British Airways First Class. It's unfortunate they don't serve it in the lounge. Actually in the lounge they've got a quite interesting champagne selection. It's not everyday brands, but they're quite nice actually. So if you want to pause this to look at the wine list, you can do so. Tea and coffee. Let's take a look at the food menu. Food menu, Swiss Airlines First Class. So they have this concept where they change the dishes every month, whatever. And they've got a new chef from a different canton, which is like a different region in Switzerland. You can read all about it there. This month it's this guy here. Looks very serious. And that's the main. So I think I'm gonna go for the Barek salmon blinis, which is their, it's kind of their caviar alternative, I'd say. Yeah. And then I might get the lemon crusted turbo. And of course, on Swiss you have to go for the cheese selection, which has got its own page here. So these are all the cheeses that are on offer, which looks sensational. So yeah, that's it, let's go. Let's take a quick look at the entertainment system. Let's see what we have here. Very intuitive. But the selection seems to be pretty poor, to be honest. They're all old movies. I swear I've seen those on like Singapore Airlines at least 3 months ago. The Aftermath seems to be the only movie on there. I'm gonna check it out later and see what the deal is, but not holding my breath for this one. Is it touchscreen? No, it's not a touchscreen, unfortunately. Quick review of the Swiss Airlines First Class headphones. They're shit. So bring your own if you're flying Swiss Airlines First Class. Alright guys, I'm in my Swiss Airlines First Class bed. Time for a little nap. I must say this bedding is ultra comfortable. This pillow is fantastic. So I think I'm gonna have a good sleep. Popped a couple of sleeping tablets. See you in the morning. Good morning guys. Had a great sleep here on my Swiss Airlines First Class flight to Singapore. We've had about an hour and a half delay, so it's going to be a tight connection to catch my flight to Perth. We're about 2 hours out of Singapore now, and I think I've had about 5 hours of sleep. It's a very comfortable bed, pretty private, although the sliding doors only cover part of the cabin. I'll show you quickly. So you can see the coat hanger turns into a door. And that can open and close with this one here, which is pretty cool. Then of course here we got the windows, bottle of water, huge screen there. You see how much leg room I've got. Very nice first class experience so far. Alright, breakfast is served on Swiss Airlines. I've gone for a simple menu today, with a fresh fruit, veggie muesli, orange juice and a yogurt. Didn't really feel like eating too much, but I also have hot dishes, as you can see in the menu. And of course another freshly brewed coffee, which is actually really tasty on this flight. Good coffee. Thumbs up, Swiss. I hope you enjoyed this Swiss Airlines 777-300 first class review. See you next time.